Okay guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna add some ambience light into my car. The whole idea is I'm gonna run a blue ambient light from there all the way, come into the dash, and then going down there for the USB connection. So I have done this before on my VW Passat, and it looked awesome, and I just want to try the same with the Audi one and see how it goes. So stay tuned with me and we'll install it. It's very simple, it's plug and play. Let's get it started. Okay guys, so this is the EL fiber optic cable that I've got from eBay. It's widely available, so you can search and buy one. It's fairly cheap, and they come in different colors, but I selected the neon white because I really like that color at night. And I will display this to you as well, like how does it look like on this Audi. So the whole idea that I've said before, we're going to run it from here to there. So it's got one side that's just you can nudge in, so it's got like a very thin side that you can just nudge into the dash, and the other one is the OL fiber optic cable that we're going to run through. So and the other side's got a connector that we're going to plug with our cigarette lighter, so I've got that as well. I'm going to show you here. So there it is. This is the USB one. So the other end I'm gonna plug it with a USB charger, and this side I'm gonna connect that with this cable. Okay, so far I'm really happy the way it sat down. It like literally flush to the edge. So starting from here all the way coming down to there. And the next point is I'm gonna take this down so that it doesn't intrude anywhere and it stays as much disguised as I can. So stay tuned. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna run it from here and all the way down back there. So from here I'm gonna plug it with a USB, and this will be fully disguised. All finally done. So starting from the top, it goes all the way onto the dash, and then it started to disappear all the way down there, and then I am running it through this gear compartment all the way down here, and I've plugged that USB in there, which will be disguised like that. So in short, you won't be able to see it. Now I'm going to show you how does it look like when it lights on. So this is the final product. See this neon light. And it's going down there. It's disguised fully. So just to give a little bit of definition to the dash, and not very fancy one, but I really like it, and I hope you guys do. It's a very quick and easy method. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.